Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 real tokens by market cap. We're going to start with Shiba Inu because we did this on Monday. BONK, WIF, FLOKI, we did this on Tuesday for Mew. We're going to continue with BABYDOGE. We did this again on Tuesday. We're going to continue with DOGS, CHEEMS, OSAK, ELON, and BONK. Let's get straight into it. Okay, wait. Let's go to Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu against USD. Here we are for Shiba Inu. Okay, we're already hugging the skinny pink line. We're not too sure, but I suspect this could still become some sort of a squeeze here. And then we break out in 2026. But at the same time, I still feel that there's a potential for us to drop lower, right, to this noisy area. Sub 1000. Again, we're still not too sure. No clear bearish reversal chart pattern yet. Again, we're still confined within this top and this bottom. So it depends on the price action for SHIB as time goes by. We don't have much information at this point. BONK against USDT. We'll look at it on Gates. Okay, here we are for BONK. Anything for BONK? We're also touching the skinny pink line. So I suspect that BONK could also be, you know, getting some sort of something like a rising channel. And rising channels usually break lower. Again, we might just break lower, and this whole thing might just become a head and shoulders kind of a chart pattern, right? And then we can get a right shoulder potentially under the skinny pink line, and this will confirm a very clear bearish reversal. How much lower? I'm expecting 300. Right now we're at 2,300 will be a 90% decimation for BONK. So as it stands, we are still not entirely sure, but we're already starting to come back down under the skinny pink line. This was the top, and we have not recovered back to the top yet. If we have already recovered, right? I mean, the rally was a strong rally, right? Great. But it wasn't. It was quite a weak rally. And then, bam! Strong selling. So I suspect that the heights could be turning bearish for BONK. WIF against USD. Here we are for WIF. WIF on Gates. Okay, could be a squeeze as well. Could be a squeeze, right? ABCD. Could be some sort of an ABCD as we squeeze higher. For sure. But as it stands, we are not too sure. This whole thing could also turn into a bearish a chart pattern to head lower. Again, I don't really like this kind of a lower highs kind of a chart pattern, because this means that we could still go both ways depending on which ends we take out. If we take out this end, very likely we go higher. If we take out this end, very likely we're going to go lower. How much lower? Probably around 40 to 30 cents, around this area, right? If I had to guess, 30 cents. We will probably be going to 30 cents if we get a bearish chart pattern. But again, it doesn't mean that we need to get a bearish chart pattern before it drops lower. So, you know, from a trading standpoint, there's just nothing much for with FLOKI. FLOKI against USD. Here we are for FLOKI. FLOKI is also right at the skinny pink line, right? But at the same time, like all the other dog coins that has lower highs, this could also squeeze and head higher. Potentially. So if you look at it from an Elliott wave perspective, this whole thing could be a wave 1. Yes? 2, up for a 3, down for a 4. We could get another one as a wave 5. So again, potentially there could be a squeeze here. We hit just a little bit higher, closer to about 50,000. Right now at 16,000. There is that possibility. We'll leave that possibility open, but we're hitting the skinny pink line, so we'll see how things go, right? I still suspect that this is absolutely possible, right? It might even turn into a falling channel first before heading higher, but I'm expecting a potential wave 5 as well. But as it stands, not much actionable information. Even if you were to put on trades, right, we'll be trading within the range, right? There'll be like ins and outs, you see. So yeah, as it stands, we'll see. If you break this low, obviously we're going to be heading lower for FLOKI. BABYDOGE USDT. BABYDOGE. Okay, so for BABYDOGE, yeah, I don't like it. They were coming back down under the support. So at what point will we consider our targets to be invalidated? The moment we break back down here, right? Largely here, right? There's so many clusters of cells around this area. So once the price drops, it'll be quite a vicious fall. If we were to fall, right? Again, we're still above the skinny pink line. Trend is still bullish, so we're hoping for a strong recovery. We'll see how it goes. But we've already taken out these highs. So yeah, again, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes for BABYDOGE. It looks scary. DOX against USDT. So DOX is on a downward trend. It has been on a downward trend for a very long time. Any signs of a recovery? Nope. Anything for us to work with? Nope. CHEEMS against USD. Here we are for CHEEMS. Okay, so CHEEMS. Oh my god. So CHEEMS again, rising channel, right? But this is not at the top. You see, there's a higher high here. So it's like, this whole thing could still, to be honest, turn into a squeeze. Potentially. But again, if we get mountain ranges over here, right, this would also be a ABC kind of a chart pattern, right? Again, it depends on the chart pattern that appears here. I suspect we could be getting a right shoulder over here. Something like this. Left shoulder, get a hit. Right shoulder, pump, drop lower. So yeah, watch out for the right shoulder, potentially. So yeah, that's our take for CHEEMS OSAK against USD. So for OSAK, we are under the skinny pink line. On DEX tools, you have more information. Again, this could also be, just like all the other dog coins, a squeeze to hit higher, right? This whole thing could just be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a target over here for OSAK. So as it stands, the target is still valid until we take out these lows. Yes, we're under the skinny pink line. Yes, the trend is bearish, but there are certain, price action that makes me feel like there could be a reversal because we are falling in a very controlled manner, right? And there are no clear bearish reversal chart patterns. So at what point will we consider things to be truly bearish? Yeah, once we take out these lows. Elon Mars. Elon against USDT. Doge Elon Mars is... Okay, we still stand by our target for Doge Elon Mars at 118,000. Right now we're at 20,000. So this could be a huge rise. And this is an accumulation phase for Doge Elon Musk. Could we still drop lower? Yeah. But I would not expect these lows to be taken. This low and this low is at the same level. So at this point of time, I'm expecting a breakout eventually. Could we drop a bit lower first before breaking? Oh yeah, sure, of course. But I kind of like what I see for Doge Elon Musk. And again, if we do break out from this price, this could be a 483% move. So yeah, watch out for that. Again, we're not entirely sure. At this point of time, we would prefer it if there was a consolidation above the skinny pink line. But already sliced through, so the chances are we're probably going to be slicing lower. So all depends upon BTC. We'll see how it goes. We shall see how it goes. Bone Shiba swap. Okay, Bone, we'll look at it on DEX tools. So for Bone, we are 3 years ago. Bone is also in a squeeze. All of the dog coins are in a squeeze. All of it potentially, except the one that we just saw was dogs. All of it has potential to continue the bullish trajectory. Bone Shiba Swap has been in a huge accumulation ever since coming into the scene in 2021. Right, we've been forming lower highs, 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 and a higher low. As it stands, oh boy, this looks to me like a rising channel. Rising channels usually break lower, right? So it's very important that we do not take out these lows, because the moment you take out these lows, we'll consider this chart pattern to be invalidated and our $9.66 target to be invalidated as well. So as it stands, it's still good. We're still expecting a potential recovery, but as it stands, yeah, again, we're not too sure. All depends upon BTC. All right, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's Dog Coins TA. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye.